Hey guys, welcome to my channel Gupshup with Monica. Hope you guys are doing well and are staying safe. Just to mention, it's a new channel and I have been thinking of starting this since a long time now. But finally आज it's being executed and मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ अपनी first video with the home tour of my condo here in Canada. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into the video of my condo tour. So friends, this is the entry of my condo building. So yeah, let's go inside. So here we have, for the safety of the people staying here, यहाँ पे ये safety system दिया हुआ है. Also for the visitors, they give us a 4-digit code number. जो कि visitors आते हैं मिलने, they have to put that number and then only they can come inside. So for the residents who are already staying here, we are given this form and we need to punch it here. Then this main gate opens and we can go inside. तो आइए चलिए मेरे साथ. Right now, and this is the sitting area for the guests. And we have the reception at that side. We have a security person there sitting 24/7. And remove my gloves now. We are already inside. So come, we'll go to the lift. These are the lockers that are provided for the residents staying here. So all your important documents and all come here and you can come and check. So here is the lift. So we are inside. So like you can see, there are 28 floors here in this building. So yeah, let's go. चलिए आइए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ अपना कॉन्डो. सो या जब भी घर दिखाने की बात आती है, वी इंडियंस ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर तुलसी, बिकॉज वो सीरियल देख के हमारा बचपन निकला है. तो या वही मेमोरीज रिफ्रेश हो जाती है. बट चलिए आइए मैं आपको अपना कॉन्डो दिखाती हूँ. प्लीज वेलकम. सो लाइक यू कैन सी, you have one door here. I'll open this. You have a washer and a dryer here, and we have kept some of our extra stuff at the top. So यार यहाँ पे इंडिया की जैसे हम बाहर कपड़े नहीं सुखा सकते हैं. So for mainly for all the condos or apartments, they have this washer and dryer. Yeah, so this is a den. So just to mention, it's a 1-bedroom den where I have kept some extra stuff. This I have kept here, and some pantry stuff. Then a shoe rack is here, and you have some sanitizer, mask and gloves, which are kept here because once we go out, it's handy for us to just pick and go out. And we have our laundry here. So this is a small den. You can use it any way you like. Then as we go inside, I have this kitchen on the right side, and you can see we have a microwave, an oven and a cooktop. तो ये induction types cooktop है यहाँ पर. So you have the oven here, where I have kept my extra utensils, क्योंकि हम तो भाई इंडियन हैं, जहाँ स्पेस मिलती है वहाँ सामान रख लेते हैं. And you have this fridge here. यहाँ पे storage space काफ़ी दी हुई है, so space बहुत है. Then you have this sink here, and you have a dishwasher, which is really really important क्योंकि हमें यहाँ इंडिया की तरह मेड नहीं मिलती है. So I'll just show you. It's really helpful जब कभी आपका मन नहीं होता utensils clean करने का. So it's really really helpful during that time. So yeah, this dishwasher, this oven and microwave and this fridge was given to us by our landlord. So yeah, we'll go inside. I have on the left side I have my bedroom, and here we have our living room. So like you can see, I have a wing chair, a 3-seater sofa, and the best part is the big windows here, from which ample light comes inside. And mainly during daytime हमें lights on करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. So this thing is really good. The view is awesome from here, and like we are on the 12th floor. I'll just show you. So like you can see, the view is just awesome. Attached balcony. ये देखिए balcony का view. तो शाम को यहाँ बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. शाम को जब चाय पीते हैं गरम, तो यहाँ का व्यू एंजॉय करते हुए it's just awesome. Now going inside. So mainly यहाँ पे furniture हमने, we were lucky enough when we moved in here, there was a family who was moving out, और उनसे हमें ये दोनों सोफ़े and this wing chair along with the center table, we got this from them at a very good price, because we were not planning to buy any new stuff when we came here. But yeah, that family was by chance moving also at that time, और हमने ये उनसे purchase कर लिया था at a very good price. This lamp we bought from Walmart. And also this TV and TV unit we purchased from Walmart. And this small teddy, I got it from India. It's really cute. I couldn't leave it there. So yeah, mainly all the condo apartments here have this open kitchen, setup. In less space also, you have this made beautifully. So also to mention, we have been given this heating and cooling system in our condo. So as you know, in winters the temperature goes up to -30 here. So and the houses are all insulated here. So this device, with the help of this device, हम अपने घर का temperature we can control whatever we want. So like you can see right now it's summers, and we can put we have the option here of cooling, we have the option here of heating. So yeah, this keeps us warm during winters, and it's a very important device. It's a must in nearly like in mainly all the condos and apartments here. तो चलिए अब चलते हैं बेडरूम में. So this is our bedroom. So like the living room, you have big windows here as well in the bedroom. And you have the blinds there. Here I have a small side table where I keep my diary. Here is a small study table where my husband works. He has his laptop here. क्योंकि अभी कोरोना टाइम में तो सभी घर से काम कर रहे हैं, तो दिस वाज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. तो हमने ये प्लेस, छोटी सी प्लेस यहीं रूम में बनाया है फॉर द ऑफिस वर्क. एंड यू हैव दिस टू he and she cupboards. And like you can see, these are cupboards here. Nice big cupboards, enough for two of us. And it has big mirrors, so हमें mirrors की ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ी यहाँ पे आने के बाद, क्योंकि हर cupboard में you have mirrors, which is really nice. Yeah, back to this gate, which is the washroom. Actually, I just forgot to mention this cupboard, which is just opposite to the kitchen. Here was the kitchen to the right side, and just opposite to it, we have this tall cupboard here. So mainly ये entrance पे cupboard दिया जाता है ज़्यादातर सभी कॉन्डो में, to keep our jackets when we come here during winter. So now moving to the washroom. So this was our entry. We came inside. To the left was our washer and dryer. And here is our washroom. So the washroom has two gates. So this is the entry. And like you can see, one gate is here, which opens to the bedroom. So it has an attached washroom, and if somebody is outside in the living hall, they can use it separately as well. So like you can see, you have a mirror here. So यहाँ पे mainly सभी washrooms में, especially in condos, you have a bathtub. I know India में ये luxury है, but यहाँ पे ये necessity है. You know, यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर आपको सभी washroom में you will get this bathtub. And this door opens to the bedroom here, which I just showed you. So this is the bedroom, and I'll just show you the lights are on. तो ये सारी lights बंद करके, it looks really nice, really beautiful. Yeah, so this was all about my condo tour, my home tour. So guys, hope you liked my home sweet home away from India, and I was really happy to show you guys the place where I stay here in Canada. And just to mention, I'm staying in Mississauga. which is a suburb of Toronto in the GTA area. And I have been staying here since last 10 to 11 months now. So yeah, I hope you really liked my video. अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's a new channel and मुझे आपका बहुत सारा प्यार and support चाहिए अभी to grow this channel. And I'll see you in the next video. आप safe रहिए, खुश रहिए, अपने घरों में रहिए and take care. Bye.